Hey guys, today I want to show you a very short but extremely useful piece of code with which you can send automatic emails, or you can automatically generate emails from your Excel spreadsheet based on the condition that is true or false in your Excel spreadsheet. That's up to you where you choose. Okay, let's start and see how it works. Let's create a new macro and let's name it age. I cannot explain it step by step. I've just done that, and that video was longer than 25 minutes. Nobody will watch that. Okay, I'm doing it just as fast as possible. Okay, I need to put some variables right here. Now we need to add a loop for each loop. Then if condition, if statement, if row dot value, if the age, like we set the range, we set the age range C2 to C20 because in column C we got the age of the people, and that's our condition if that's true or false. Okay, if row dot value is greater than 40, then do the following. Now I'm introducing one by one the variables. Row dot offset. Here offset is nothing but cells, like you're just choosing cells with the first condition is true, like we are staying in the same row, so that's 0. And then in the email address, the address is, if you have noticed, the right hand side of the column A, that is like D, so we would move one column to the right, that would be 1. If you add -1, that will move one column to the left. If you add 1, that will move one column to the right. Okay, dot value. Very good. Now the subject, which should be the person name, is equal to row dot offset, and the column we're gonna say in the same row, and the column -2 because that is A, -2. Let me show you that quickly. Okay, this is our age column, so -1, -2. Dot value. Okay, then set mail is equal to create object. that create item, and then with mail up, sorry, with mail item dot to is equal to email add, how is the spell, email add, and dot cc is equal to nothing, empty, dot subject is equal to, I would like to write dear, and the name of the vendor plus subject, that's the variable that we had set up. Okay, I need to add one plus right here and one plus right here plus another space here. User, it's about vitamin. Okay, please excuse my spelling if there is any mistake. Okay, and then dot body, what I want to write in the email body is equal to again, hey, plus the name of the person, that is subject, do you think we should take multivitamin after age 40? Okay, that's the email body, and now let's end with and end f. We need to add one more line to display, because we need to display that Excel, that Outlook application that we have created, dot display, and end with end f, and since that's a loop, next row. Okay, let's see that how it works. Wow, it worked. Okay, so it's sending email to dear Fafa, and that's what it writes. Hey Fafa, do you think we should take multivitamin after age 40? Question mark. Hey Fafa, it's about vitamin. It's using their name in the subject, and right here, dear Sasa, it's about vitamin. Hey Sasa. So it's all as we have explained. Let's see if Fafa and Sasa is actually over 40 in our table. So here is Sasa, it's 50, and this is 42, and the rest of them are all under 40. So now if you want to link it to a button, just click this insert, click this button, generate a button, and link your age macro with that, and click OK. And you can also rename your button by just double clicking on it, and just send email and enter. That's it. Yeah, now if I click this button, it will run that code for me. So it basically shows, displays this entire, like it opens it a new email, but you can just make it directly without showing anything to you. It will directly silently send all the emails for you based on the condition that you made. It can be very handy if you're sending a lot of email based on the information you have in Excel. I hope you like this video. If you need anything, please text me, message me. I will be happy to help if it's something interesting. Thank you.